Diablo 4. Diablo 4 is Blizzard's fastest selling game of all time.
All time, baby.
After 4 days of early access. Oh shit.
Baby.
Really?
Yeah, Diablo 4 fire, nigga.
Okay, when did Diablo 3 come out? 2019?
Nah, longer than that, man.
2015?
So I would say somewhere around there.
3.7 million units 3.7 million units sold on its first full day on PC.
2012.
2012? Yikes. 11 years?
Yeah.
Nuts.
But then so I think it came out 2012, but then they had like a expansion, like Reaper's, whatever the fuck it was called. They had like an update expansion thing, and that came out a little bit after, so that might have came out like 2016, 17, somewhere around there, and for Diablo 3, but still, yeah, base game called 2012.
Yeah.
But yeah, not Diablo Fire though. Play that shit. It's fun.
I'm looking at the list of games, and I would have thought, okay, is World of Warcraft just purely DLC at this point? Or is there actually like new?
I don't know if you have to. I don't know if you have to pay for the base game. You might. I don't remember, but it's for World of Warcraft. Their money is subscription based more than game sales, because it's like a monthly, because you pay for the server, so it's $9 a month or whatever it is. So that's where their money comes from for that, really. And also, how old is World of Warcraft?
It came out like 2004.
Don't matter. It's still being. World of Warcraft is the first game I pretty much heard people like bug out about, and that hasn't gone away.
Yeah, but this is
like we talk shit about Grand Theft.
Yeah.
Hold my beer.
Yeah, but fastest selling does not mean most selling. It just means it's
but
it sold the most copies in the shortest amount of time. It doesn't necessarily mean it's their best selling game.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm just saying, like, if something World of Warcraft related came out in the past 5 years or so, because I haven't heard anything World of Warcraft coming out new ever. It's just World of Warcraft, and then I guess they could just keep getting DLC updates.
Yeah, they do expansion.
Okay, expansion packs and stuff like that. So I haven't heard of anything like coming out. And I'd have thought if something came out from WoW in the past 5 years, that'd have been like 5 mil on first day.
Nah,
but
they just do expansion wise.
Yeah,
they just had
expansion wise. Yeah, that might be different. Yeah,
they just had some World of Warcraft DLC come out in like 2022. Dragonflight.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, I don't
not
play
supposed
to.
But yeah, shout out to Blizzard.
Oh yeah.
And Diablo 4, it looks good. I want to play it.
Hell yeah.